little helper. Cut Play-Doh. Wow. What's in there? Open it. And she put the bag down and was more interested in the tissue paper. And she's probably going to get in the box soon. Oh my gosh! So this is the Prada mini backpack. This retails for $15.70 on the Prada website. I actually got it from, I don't even know how to say it. Satire? I don't know. I'm bad at reading and pronouncing. It's basically an Australian Saks or whichever. And so it turned out to be a lot cheaper ordering it from that website. I've been eyeing this for the longest. And I thought it was the cutest thing. Can you share Play-Doh with Mila? And share Parker. This is why I can't do videos. Okay? You got it? Okay, I must say this is a lot smaller in person than online. So here's my bag. I'm probably gonna end this video now. You okay? Parker share or Mila not sharing? Mila's not sharing. Dust bag. I'll show y'all real quick and then I'll end this video. It comes with a chain. That's hooked up here for now. Is Mila not sharing? So they hooked it on here, but there's actually little D-rings here. And yeah, what do we think? Is it cute, Parker? You like this one or Mama's current one? Oh, booger. All right. That's it. Here we are. All right. So the kids are fed and they're content for now. So I wanted to finish up and show you guys because I could not. It is just so cute. So it's a lot smaller than I expected. I wish it was a little bit bigger, but it is. Ooh, Mila, excuse you. But it is like a good size for a mini bag. And I love bags like this that are fuss-free. It's just for my lifestyle at the moment. And so I was really surprised that there's not a zipper pocket in here. It's a big hole. And then there's 2 compartments over here that it's not magnetic. You actually have to manually buckle that in. And came with the authenticity card. Yeah, a dust bag. And so I wanted to see how practical it was by transferring all my stuff in. And I am still using the Gucci belt bag. I love it. It literally fits everything under the sun plus more. You know, and I'll transfer it in here just to see if this will kind of work for me. Okay, yeah. Help. Sanitizer is like mask and sanitizer she absolutely loves. Owie. Okay, mommy kiss. Okay. What was I gonna say? Oh yeah, so it did come with these D-rings, and then it came with this little D-ring right here on the side. So I'm assuming that you can just strap it and then maybe it'll sit better crossbody. The only thing is that I wish that you could actually wear this as a backpack if it came with too many straps or something that you could put and if I don't even know, but I'm gonna try to make it work. I just like having that as an option. But yeah, so let's see what fits in here. I just pulled up my bag, so we always have sanitizer in here. My bag. So that goes in there. It's being nosy. You being nosy? Vaseline, because you know this is the only method of chapstick that I can use. I'm allergic to everything, especially with the cold weather. I have diapers and wipes because, well, Mila is potty trained, but I always keep this, and that just happened, by the way. We're really happy about that. And I just keep it as a safety purpose, just in case we can't make it to a restroom. It has never happened, but I just like to keep it in there. And wipes are good if they get dirty. Ooh, it's okay. And then I actually just bought this. This is a flushable toilet seat cover for Mila in case we're out and about and she doesn't touch everything. And then I have, it's okay, what's in here? I have my card holder, and this is great because when I have this bag, when I'm not with the kids and I basically get to go grocery shopping by myself or have a little bit of me time, I just yank this baby out and then I just wear it. And this is actually really useful too. It has a hook right here for a belt bag, but I don't ever wear it like that. I just wear it as a crossbody. So this will go directly in here. And then what else? Where's my makeup bag? That's really important. I usually always carry that with me. And then I don't need it. It's just notes that I need to look over. Coupon, gift cards. And then let me grab the makeup bag to see if it'll fit. And then I have my makeup bag. Sometimes this goes with me, sometimes it doesn't. With this bag, I'll just put it in there because why not? But I will just probably carry a lipstick, and then that's it. I do have snacks in here, but I'm not gonna, in my typical bag, but I'm not gonna pull it out because she's about to go down for a nap and then she's gonna want a snack. But usually I will put in this bag a snack, and then a water bottle or like the kids cup. I don't think that's gonna fit in here. That's okay. I'm gonna make it work. So this will go in here, and then that's it. There you have it. Fits so far so good. Not as like carefree and like I literally am used to putting everything in that bag, but this one I have to be a little bit more calculated, which kind of sucks, but hopefully the wipes and the diapers will go away soon and I can fit more. Here we are, and let's see what this little ring is for. What's the purpose of this? I guess I actually don't like it. It's weird. I don't like it. What is the purpose of that? I don't know. So this reminds me of those mini JanSport backpacks that we used to wear in the 90s. I never had one, but I remember them. Here you go. So cute. And I'm gonna be practical. I will probably never buckle it. It's gonna be so hard for me to get in and out. So here you are. The Prada mini backpack.